This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. In addition to Honeybadger's great error monitoring service, they also have an uptime monitoring for web developers. And Honeybadger has recently shipped an update that allows for public status pages that can help communicate outages to your customers. In addition to your uptime monitoring, Honeybadger now monitors your SSL certificates. And Honeybadger now has actions which will allow you to do bulk updates to all your errors, or you can set defaults for incoming errors. In this episode, we're going to have an interesting look at YAML, and more specifically, in how we can consume it within a Rails application. Because sometimes, as we are building out our applications, we want the ability to create some kind of demo data or create some other kind of records depending on the situation. And if you've worked on any kind of Rails application for any period of time, then you probably have come across YAML files quite often. And so initially, we're going to take a simple look at how we can load in YAML configs, but then we're going to dive in a bit deeper in how we can populate our database from the YAML data. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.